Hello everyone, I am Abdelaziz Khidr. I will be with you in this free CMRP exam preparation course for one of the most important certifications in the maintenance and reliability field. This course is presented from Reliability and Maintenance Training. The certificate of CMRP is presented by the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, which is one of the most famous maintenance and reliability organizations all over the world, and it is constituted in 1990s, and it's concerned about the maintenance and reliability occupation and how to raise the voice of every maintenance and reliability professional and to make a standardization for the whole profession of maintenance and reliability field. So this is one of the most important society, and for that it has made a certification program presenting a lot of certifications like CMRP and CMRT, which is Certified Maintenance and Reliability Technician, in addition to contribution to Certified Asset Management Assessor or CAMA certificate. So this is a very valuable contribution from this organization. And for the CMRP certificate, it is the leading certification for maintenance and reliability professional. If you are gaining this certificate, you are proving that you have the necessary knowledge to be a professional in the maintenance and reliability field. And currently, a lot of major companies, including oil and gas, steel, and other companies, are having or requiring people with this certification as a proof for their ability to work in the maintenance and reliability field. This certification also is a certified certificate. It is certified from the American National Standard Institute as accredited certificate, so it is very valuable certificate to have. In order to get this certification, you just need to have background about this certification, whether you are a student, a technician, a manager, engineer, senior management, or ground floor technician, you will be eligible to go for this certification. Just you need to have a relative background, and with us in our courses, either this free course or our other advanced course, you will be able to get the certification successfully, inshallah, to gain a lot of knowledge and also to prove that you are already having the necessary knowledge to work in the maintenance and reliability field. For gaining this certification, you have to pass an online exam. This online exam is already presented in one of the centers that provide the exam. And for the CMRP certifications, the testing center is Pearson VUE. So in order to apply for the exam, you must be a member. So you can apply for a membership in the SMRP organization through their website, www.smrp.org. Then you can buy membership for $170, and if you apply with this membership, you will get a bonus discount of $170. It's like zero cost for membership, while you will take the exam for $300 only. If you do not have this membership, your total exam cost for non-member will be $470. But if you are member, you will get a lot of benefit like free webinars, free conference attendance. You will get magazines from them. You can download a lot of references in order to study and get a lot of knowledge, in addition to be part of their maintenance and reliability community. So they have a community like Facebook and Twitter and like this, but for maintenance and reliability engineers only. So it will be very valuable tool for you. The exam itself will be 110 questions. Out of the 110 questions, only 100 will be scored. 10 questions will be extra testing questions just for the sake of testing these new questions to be applied for the exam in next versions. So if you are in the exam and you did find any strange question, don't be confused. Maybe it's one of these 10 questions. And if you are taking the full course with us, you will gain a lot of tips and tricks for gaining or passing the real exam. During the exam, you will be allowed to be tested for 2.5 hours. It means like you are having 80 seconds for each question, and you will not be allowed to have any references or any external scientific calculator while you are in the real exam. If you need any calculator for any calculations, you will have on-screen calculator, and also on your screen, you will have like a timer in order to be able to time yourself and see what is your progress. The main reference for this exam is the body of knowledge, which is downloadable freely if you are having a membership from CMRP. And if you do not have membership, you should buy or pay for this reference. It is good reference to have, but if you also are taking the exam, we will provide you with full study material that will make you able to have all the necessary knowledge without the need for reading a lot of external material. In order to be communicated with the CMRP organization all the time, either for making a membership or for resolving any conflicts or concerns you have with them, or even for knowing what's going on, or if you have any question you need to ask about, so you can go to these two emails. For the exam, in order to pass, you should have more than 65% up to 70% as a passing score for the whole exam. But there is a trick for this point. In the CMRP body of knowledge, they are having five pillars. So you should pass in each one of these five pillars in order to succeed. So in order to pass the full exam, you should score at least from 65 to 70% out of 100 for each pillar. So you should pass in pillar 1, pillar 2, 3, 4, 5. Then your total score should pass this passing range. Then you will be considered succeeding. So for each pillar, you will be roughly required to answer 22 to 28 questions based on the pillar. Then you should score 70% at least from this total number of questions in order to pass or succeed in this exam. This is a nutshell what's going on in the exam. And this is the shape or the questions in the exam. The questions in the exam are multi-choice questions. So they have STEM, then you have one correct answer and three distraction answer. Sometimes you can have two correct answer, but you should go to the most correct one. Sometimes you will have a generalization in any of the distractors or plausible answers. So you should take care from these generalization and start to search for the correct answer. Also, you may have keywords in the question, so you should take care from them, like only but is not. All of them will change the answer for you, so it may be tricky for you. So just take care from such cases. So in the real exam, you will find the question like this: a question or a STEM, one correct answer, and three distraction answer, and you should go to the most correct one. So for example, in this case, we are having here multiple questions that can be subject, but the most correct one in terms of percentage of correctness or most relativeness to the question, it will be question number C. For more details, can be also in the full course. The main references that are given from SMRP organization for their members are the body of knowledge, which is 150 paper containing a lot of tools, concepts, and processes for the five pillars, and best practices, which is very valuable document for anyone in the maintenance and reliability field, even if you are not taking the exam. So it's very important to have this reference with you. It will enable you to make good key performance indicator and to be having a reference for your key performance indicator, and also glossary for definitions in maintenance and reliability field. These are the recommended references to be read for each of the five pillars. The most famous one for sure for the certification is Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices by Ramesh Gulati. It's preferred if you need to read a book, to read this book. It is a very good book. It's a very beneficial book, so you should go for it. Other references are good. I would recommend for advanced readers after passing the exam to read Making Common Sense Common Practice by Ron Moore. In addition to other references that are very valuable, you can review all of them. So in our journey, in our normal course, we are explaining the total pillars with their concepts, strategies, processes, and tools. Then we are identifying what are the metrics in addition to practical questions from the industry through our experience in different industries and in different roles in the maintenance and reliability field. Then we are providing a recommended reference to you, study material, recorded videos, and everything, in addition to full practice exams, 7 practice exams, and another references for you to start the journey by your need to be branded, to have experience, to be certified, till you reach your successful journey at the end for being certified maintenance and reliability professional, to have your own branding by gaining this privilege to be a certified maintenance and reliability professional, but also to have a good practical knowledge to prove that in the implementation or real implementation in your daily use. So we are having this recommended study plan in our course. If you are taking our full course, you will have maintenance and reliability related background, then you should attend the course. After that, you will solve the questions that we are providing. We will solve a lot with each other, maybe hundreds of questions. Then you will solve exams. Then you will start to identify your gaps. We can discuss together. You can review the study material. You can go to another references or reference material to check what are your gaps, then include them. After that, you can go to the exam and pass, inshallah. Typically, this takes the course duration in addition to only 3 weeks after the course duration. This is our own recommendation. So in a nutshell, we are providing this course for free study material. We are providing the course in both Arabic and English. We are providing videos and everything, question solving, money back guarantee in case if you do not need to complete the journey with us or if you didn't pass the exam. So we are having a money back guarantee. Then also you will have life support till passing the exam at the end of the day. So we promise also to provide 110 and 1100 questions for the whole pillars, in addition to 7 full exams and exams also on each pillar, with limited offer of 20% as a special discount. So you should go for this offer if you need to have the benefit of this discount. If you need to register with us for this exam, you can scan this QR code and fill in your data. It's a very simple form, just name and email and phone number, or you can contact us directly on these emails or telephone numbers. Thank you and see you in the foundational part next, inshallah.